Hey there, 30 here, and today I've decided to create this video because I wanted to share something with you and hopefully it adds value to your life. So, just like that, part 6 is on the way, yeah. Well, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng mga videos na pinapost ko. My heart is really grateful sa inyong lahat. So, hopefully mag-stay pa rin po kayo sa mga next videos na ipopost ko. Alright, well today I'm pretty excited because I know this topic is something that a lot of people are really interested in. So, I cannot wait to share it with you. Let's get started. Yesterday, my friends and I planned to eat out and nag-iisip kami kung anong kakainin namin. And out of all the foods that we could have think of, we immediately thought of samji or samgyeopsal. So, we went to a Korean restaurant and surely we had a great time. We were able to catch up really well, masarap yung pagkain and nag-enjoy kami talaga. I guess yung pinaka-bad side lang nung lakad namin is we had to wait for like 10 or 20 minutes kasi sobrang haba nung pila din and sobrang daming tao. And I've noticed that I always experience this every time we go to a Korean restaurant. Laging puno and laging kailangan mo talaga maghintay. And then I began to realize, bakit nga ba sobrang sikat ng samji sa Pinas? And why do Filipinos love it so much? Well, the growing popularity of Korean cuisine, especially samji or samgyeopsal, has greatly influenced Filipino food culture. And since 2014, samji has become very popular in the Philippines and all over the world. And the Korean wave, which includes the Korean entertainment like K-pop, K-drama, and basically everything about the Korean culture, has changed Filipino consumer preferences. Which is probably why maraming tao mas gusto nilang bumibili ng mga Korean beauty products compared to the local ones kasi sobrang sikat talaga. And while this is popular, a lot of people actually don't know much about samgyeopsal. So, ano nga ba yung samji or samgyeopsal? Samgyeopsal is a popular Korean dish where the meat is either marinated or seasoned and it's cooked on a grill. It's mostly served with samgyeopsal sauce, side dishes, and lettuce. Tapos ang tawag din sa kanya is 3-layered pork belly meat or fat. Kasi yung sam means 3, tapos yung gyop means layer, and then yung sal means pork belly meat or fat. Kaya siya tinawag na 3-layered pork belly meat fat. Pag 5 naman yung layers nila, ang tawag is ogyopsal because o means 5. Pero I think sa Korea mas sikat pa rin yung 3-layered pork belly meat. And sa sobrang sikat nito sa Korea, they actually made 3rd day of March as Samgyeopsal Day because of its 3-layered composition. Ganun siya kasikat. And so, it begs the question, bakit nga ba sobrang sikat ng Samgyeopsal sa Pinas? Now, there's this blog that I've read a couple of days ago from Calvin5 sa wordpress.com, and I'm just gonna put the link of the article in the description so you guys can check it out. Pero shinare niya yung thoughts niya on why Filipinos love samji so much. Honestly, mahirap talaga malaman kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit gustong-gusto ng mga Pinoy yung Korean dish na to. Until you see and try it for yourself, only then will you be able to understand the addiction of Filipino to this Korean dish. So, according to the article, here are some of the possible reasons why it's popular among Pinoys. Number 1, the word unlimited is very enticing. Kasi sa totoo lang, magkano ba yung samji? Minsan, I think it ranges from 499, 599, kung medyo social yung lugar, mga nasa 699 or 799. Medyo mahal to an average Pinoy consumer. Tapos bukod doon, raw pa yung meat, tapos ikaw pa yung magluluto, so mag-e-effort ka pa. Bukod sa mahal na, mag-e-effort ka pa. Tapos pinsan yung mga side dishes nila, hindi ganun mukhang kamahal. And feeling ko yung mag-e-enjoy lang talaga dito yung mga malalakas na kumain. Pero overall, mahal talaga siya. Pero dahil meron kasing unli na naka-attach doon sa samji, talagang patok na patok to sa mga Pinoy. Parang feeling ko marirealize mo lang na sobrang mahal ng samji pagka wala na siyang unli na promo na naka-attach dun sa food na yon. Pero basta may unli promo sa kahit anong pagkain or even kahit anuman, talagang papatusin talaga ng mga Pinoy yan. Sa hirap ba naman ng buhay? Syempre dun tayo sa kung saan tayo mas makakatipid. Number 2, the side dishes are superb. The side dishes offered by these restaurants are really enticing because it's unusual for us Filipinos to see a lot of flavors on the table. Parang fiesta siya actually because there's so much food in just one dining. And so, feeling mo sobrang worth it ng pera mo kasi sobrang dami mong pagkain na nakikita. So talagang na-excite ka na kainin yung mga yon. And hindi ako expert when it comes to food or yung mga pagkain. Pero sabi nila, ang una daw kumakain hindi yung bibig pero yung mata. So pag nakita ng mata mo na sobrang daming pagkain tas mukha pang masarap, talagang magiging enticing talaga sa iyo yun. Question though, paano mo malalaman kung yung Korean restaurant may-ari is Pinoy? Malalaman mo na Pinoy yung may-ari pag yung isa sa mga side dish doon sa samgyeopsal is minatamis na saging. Kasi wala daw minatamis na saging sa Korea. The joke lang. Then number 3, the joy of the experience. Samji is a complete package experience. Meron tagaluto, yung mga tipong hindi marunong magluto pero biglang nagiging professional grill masters pagka nagsasamji. Tapos meron naman yung mga taga-kain lang, naghihintay na mamaluto yung mga pork belly. Tapos pag ready na kakain na sila. Meron naman mga taga-order ng mga side dishes, mga pork belly meat, tapos mga desserts. Tapos meron din mga nakatunganga lang, walang ginagawa, nag-ML. And meron din naman mga nagkukwento. Comment nyo down below kung ano yung role nyo pag nagsasamji kayo. But really, there's just something about grilling meat at a table that really touches the Filipino spirit. I think it gives a sense of family and togetherness because it's a shared experience, especially if it's new. Kaya pansin mo, wala masyadong nagsasamji na mag-isa. Madalas magbarkada, magpapamilya, or magjowa because it's a shared experience. And with all that being said, syempre, meron din naman mga tao na hindi masyadong fan ng samji. Meron mga ibang tao na nagsasabi na hindi healthy yung samji, or meron naman nagsasabi medyo mahal. Mas makakamura ka pa dun sa mga typical na kainan dito sa Pinas katulad ng Jollibee or McDonald's. And that's actually true. Pero sa totoo lang, kung once in a while lang naman, why not? I mean, samji is truly a one-of-a-kind food experience that you can ever enjoy. So, if you ever get the opportunity na makakain ulit ng samji with your friends, huwag kang makonsensya. Kasi unang-una sa lahat, pera mo naman yan. Tapos pinagpagura mo yan at higit sa lahat, deserve mo naman. So, okay lang yun. Well, that's it for today. I hope you've learned something. And if you like this video, please consider to subscribe to get the updated videos sa mga susunod. So maraming salamat po and I hope you had fun. Bye!